Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change birthday in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to change birthday in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a three dotted icon where it says more. Tap on the three dotted icon where it says more at the bottom right, and when you land on this interface, in order to proceed to change your birthday in Viber, you can see there's a pen icon at the top right corner of the screen just beside the QR code. Tap on that pen icon and you will be over here where you can see the second option over here is your birthday. And in order to change your birthday, you can go to edits like this over here. First we come to the year, guys. Now let's choose the year, and after that you'll be on a setting like this where you'll require to choose the month from the top and these from this arrow, and you can choose the day on the calendar. So let's go for this. After doing that, guys, just tap on the OK and your birthday will be changed on Viber. And there, guys, this is how to change birthday on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.